Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects millions, but is often misunderstood. Insulin resistance. What is it? What causes it? And how can we prevent it? Let's unlock the secrets together. First off, let's break it down. Insulin resistance is when your body's cells become less responsive to insulin, a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar. When this happens, your pancreas works overtime to produce more insulin, leading to higher levels of insulin and blood sugar in your system. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through it. So, what causes this condition? Here are the top culprits. 1. Poor diet. High in sugar and processed foods? That's a big red flag. 2. Physical inactivity. A sedentary lifestyle can lead to weight gain and increased resistance. 3. Genetics. Sometimes it's in your DNA. 4. Sleep deprivation. Not getting enough Z's? That can mess with your insulin sensitivity. 5. Chronic stress. Stress releases hormones that can disrupt insulin function. So, which of these resonates with you? Let us know in the comments. Now, why should we care? Insulin resistance can lead to serious health issues, like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even metabolic syndrome. That's why it's crucial to address it early. But don't panic. We'll show you how to take control. Here are some effective ways to prevent insulin resistance. 1. Eat a balanced diet. Load up on whole foods. Think veggies, whole grains, and healthy fats. 2. Stay active. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise each week. 3. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. 4. Manage stress. Practice mindfulness, yoga, or whatever helps you unwind. 5. Stay hydrated. Water is your best friend. Keep those fluids up. Now you know the causes and prevention strategies for insulin resistance, but we want to hear from you. What changes are you planning to make? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more health tips. Let's keep our community informed and empowered. Thanks for watching. Together we can tackle insulin resistance and lead healthier lives. See you next time.